Let's hear what students from different parts of India wants to say about animation and education.
Hello everyone, I am Somadip Roy from Batch 2 of Starblast Animation and I am going to talk about grades and skills. So, what are grades? Grades are actually the marks that we get when we take an examination, whereas skills are the potential or the knowledge that we develop. But among these two, more focus is given on grades by our parents as well as by us. This is because from a very childhood we have been taught that if we don't score well in our exams, we are not going to get colleges or good companies. But this is not actually true. Companies hire them who are better skilled rather than the people who have scored well in the exams. This belief has led to the rote learning process, where students are more focused in just memorizing the concepts rather than understanding them, just to score good. Moreover, they even indulge in many unfair means to score good in the exams. This is not actually good. Rather, they should be more focused in developing their skills and understanding the concepts what they are learning, so that it will not only help them in the exams but also help them in their life ahead. This problem of rote learning can be solved by many ways. One of the ways is to spread awareness and encourage them to focus in developing their skills and understanding what they are learning. This should be done by all the parents, teachers, and any other institutions. The educational institution can also help in this by taking regular practical tests which will require them to use their skills in order to answer the questions and not just mugging up the answers from the book and pasting them in their answer sheets. By this process, I hope the focus will be shifted from getting good marks to developing good skills, because at the end of the day the skills are going to make them very successful. So I would like to end this with one of the famous dialogue from Amir Khan's famous movie 3 Idiots. It quotes, सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो, एक्सीलेंस का पीछा करो और सक्सेस झक मार के आपके पीछे है. थैंक यू.